A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when observation is steady, thought aligned, and action righteous. Ladies and gentlemen, every meaningful action begins much earlier than the moment it appears. It begins in how one observes, not what is seen, but how it is seen. Across time, cultures, and disciplines, one quiet truth persists. When perception stabilizes, inner order follows, and when inner order prevails, action naturally finds its rightful place. The human system is not accidental, it is precise. The brain, supported by the senses, functions as an interpreter between the external world and inner response. Modern science recognizes this as a predictive system, constantly scanning, filtering, and preparing. Ancient wisdom described the same phenomena as awareness refined through discipline. 5 interdependent energies sustain this system: physical strength, mental clarity, emotional balance, spiritual awareness, and aspirational direction. When these operate independently, effort increases, but outcome fragments. When they synchronize, coherence emerges. Coherence is not an abstract idea. In physics, coherent systems transmit energy efficiently. In biology, coherence improves regulation and resilience. In human experience, coherence produces calm readiness, the ability to respond without agitation. In such a state, observation changes quality. It becomes steady. Noise recedes. Urgency dissolves. Stillness sharpens perception. Silence enhances discrimination. What remains is clarity, not forced, not manufactured. Within the brain exists a faculty, often underutilized, that is, the capacity to seek beyond immediate data. Neuroscience observes heightened integration during states of focused awareness, where intuition strengthens and insight accelerates. Ancient traditions recognized this as communion, a receptive alignment with a larger intelligence that does not command but guides. From this alignment arise thoughts of a different nature, not scattered, not reactive, but aligned, anchored in purpose. Thought alignment does not require suppression of emotion. It requires integration. When inner signals agree, intention stabilizes. Action then becomes simple, not easy, but simple. At this point, the inner compass becomes audible. Responsibility is understood without pressure. Duty is embraced without fear. Courage expresses itself without aggression. Compassion operates without hesitation. Action rooted in clarity becomes righteous, not as moral declaration, but as correctness of response. What follows is orchestration. Energy flows in cycles of receiving, generating, and sharing. Purpose radiates quietly. Grace is not sought, it appears. Progress feels less like struggle and more like participation. What's the way forward? Practiced daily, this alignment matures into a living skill. Over time, steadiness of observation, alignment of thought, and righteousness of action become habitual. Life is no longer navigated through constant correction, but through calibrated awareness, trusting that guidance accompanies sincerity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, an ancient voice captures this enduring alignment with striking clarity. In the revered Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna reminds humanity, established in inner balance, perform action free from attachment. Thus, wisdom remains unclouded. When observation is steady, thought aligned, and action righteous, life moves with quiet strength, guided, grounded, and gracefully effective. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.